Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I'm Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question comes to us from Marcelo, and he wants to know what kind of temporary orders can a judge award? Before I get started with that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, don't hesitate, go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So Marcelo's question is a good one. What are temporary orders? What can the judge really order before a final order is put in place? These are orders that the judge grants or orders prior to the case being finalized. Family law cases are very contentious cases, and sometimes we need some orders to be put in place prior to finalizing the case. So certain orders, temporary orders that the judge can put in place are such things as, for example, temporary spousal support to one party. If one party, for example, has been a stay-at-home person, taking care of the children, while the other party's working and the other party's making all the money, this person needs temporary support to be able to pay the attorney fees, to be able to maintain while the divorce is pending. Another temporary order that the court might order might be temporary spousal support. If the parties are now going to separate during the pendency of the case and one is in charge of the children, the court might order some spousal child support in the meantime. Another one might be the exclusive possession of the home. If, for example, the parties are really not in a good place during the divorce and they cannot live under the same roof, the court might order one of the parties to remain in the home and the other one must move out. This is called a temporary order for exclusive possession of the home. These are some of the orders that the court can put in place prior to the termination of the divorce and the finalization of the divorce. Before temporary orders are put in place, the parties are encouraged to make sure that they reach out to try to resolve these issues. If they need some sort of a support issue, then the parties also must file a financial disclosure form with the court so the court can see the financial picture of the parties before ordering payments to one party temporarily. The court cannot just blindly order payments if they don't know what the party's financial situation is. And finally, if the parties are wanting some sort of a child support, like I said, child support, child custody orders, they must attempt to try to request a modification so they can go to the mediation in order to try to finalize the mediation, the timeshare or the custody of the children. So if you're requesting a temporary order for child custody or child visitations, you must attempt to request a mediation so that you can go to the mediation prior to going and asking the court for an order. I hope this has answered your question, Marcelo. If you have further questions about this topic and want to discuss further, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you know someone who can benefit from this information, please share this video with them. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.